Hi there, I'm Jules from Stone Soup, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make my easy spinach and feta frittata. So for our spinach and feta frittata, I've got 6 eggs here cracked into the bowl, so I'm just going to give them a little whisk. Super easy, and you just want to break up the yolks a bit, I don't mind too much. Then I've got a packet of frozen spinach that's a bit defrosted, and I'm just going to pat it dry to get some of the moisture out. But we're not going to worry about that too much, so we'll just get that in there. Stir it in. The more moisture it's in there, the more watery it's going to taste. And then I've got some 200 grams of feta. I'm using Greek style, but whatever you like, and you could use goat's cheese if you wanted, or parmesan, doesn't have to be feta. So I'm just going to crumble, kind of just break it into nice chunks. And this makes it quite cheesy, so if you wanted to cut back on the feta, you could. I'll save a little bit for the topping. So then we just want to mix that through, but it doesn't have to be, you know, super well mixed. Some nice chunks of spinach are going to be a nice surprise to make the texture a bit more interesting. So then I've got my pan, just a 20 centimeter, 8-inch. This is an oven-proof pan. You can take the handle off that, and so I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in the base, and we'll just spread that around, just because eggs, this is a non-stick pan, but eggs love to stick, so anything you can do to help them stop is a good idea. I'm just going to pop it in the pan. If you're in a hurry, you could like preheat the pan and have it warmed up to just make the cooking process a bit quicker, but I haven't done that. And then we'll just crumble the rest of our lovely feta on top so it looks a bit pretty. And then I'm going to pop it in the oven and bake it at 200°C, which is 400°F, for 15 to 20 minutes. So you can see our frittata is lovely and puffy and golden, and the cheese is started to brown nicely. So that's good to go. So I just usually let it out, let it cool down for a few minutes, and then serve it up. It's perfect just as it is, or I often serve it with a drizzle of chili oil, or just some chopped fresh chili just to give it a bit of spice. So if you enjoyed this recipe, head on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and if you sign up for email updates, I'll send you a free ebook filled with simple weeknight dinner ideas just like this one.